What's going on, family? Your welding coach Black Phoenix checking in, and today we are working on MIG welding downhill, and we're working on flat TIG welding, the introduction to TIG. This young gentleman on my right has already did his stick welding, MIG welding, and flux welding. He has learned how to use the cutting torch and the plasma torch, and now I'm teaching him how to TIG. This gentleman on my left here, he's in his MIG welding stage. He just finished flux core. So now he's doing MIG welding downhill, and after he finished MIG welding in all positions and doing T-joints and lap joints and butt joints, he'll then start the TIG welding process with the time that we have left. In this program, it is 16 weeks. 16 weeks, family. You learn stick welding, flux core welding, and MIG welding in 4 positions, but we test you in 2. You learn how to use the cutting torch and the plasma torch, and you get your OSHA 10, and we help you with job placement, all in 16 weeks. This program is at the Goodwill Academy, and it's easy to get signed up. It's only $37.75 if you're paying for it out of pocket, but you can get a grant and a scholarship to get enrolled into the program. It's really a no-brainer, family, especially if you're in the area of Little Rock or surrounding areas. They got many different type of programs to help people get in. If you don't have a high school diploma, you can get in. You can go to the Excel Center. You can get your high school diploma for free, and then you get a free scholarship. If you have problems with getting out of prison and you're facing a charge and you're having problems getting a job, they also have a program called the TEO program that helps you do that. You complete that program, I believe it's 90 days, and then you get a free scholarship in welding. So there's many different benefits here at the Goodwill Academy. So I like to bring more wellness to the community, because most people only know Goodwill as far as donating goods and buying used goods. But we also supply education to the community. So we do a lot for the community in this program. I'm gonna be honest with you. I think it's a no-brainer for those who wanna dive into it and learn how to weld. Not only do you got a good school and good setup and good equipment, but you actually got a instructor who's an entrepreneur, who has been in the shop, in the field, who's traveled, so I can give you the ins and outs, and I'm a business owner, so I can help you on many different aspects, family. And my goal is to help you win. This is a win-win situation. Not a win-lose, not a lose-lose or lose-win. It is a win-win. As long as you invest your time, family, you will win. It's all about the skill set. So don't come in here just thinking about the graduation and a piece of paper you get. Think about the skill set you're about to learn that is going to change your life. So if you know someone in the area of Little Rock or surrounding areas of Little Rock, tell them about the program at the Goodwill Academy. And I am your welding coach. Make sure you visit me also on Your Welding Coach on YouTube. Also, you can check out my first YouTube channel, which is Hoggone University. So I'm always dropping different information and content to just help us grow, to help us on whatever level I can. But right now I'm at the Goodwill Academy, and my goal is to help you learn how to weld. Hoggone.